During this week's Allison training videos, the concept I found the most interesting to learn was how IP addressing and subnetting work together to organize a network. At first, it was a little confusing trying to understand how binary numbers determine which part of an IP address identifies as the network and which part identifies the device. But once I understood how subnet masks divide large networks into smaller ones, it made a lot more sense and was easier to take in. I realized that this is what helps devices communicate efficiently without causing congestion or data conflicts. It was challenging, but also the most satisfying part of the course because it helped me see how precise and structured networking really is. Network devices and IP protocols are the backbone of smart buildings, which is why it's really easy to connect it to the real world when learning. Everything from security cameras and lighting controls to HVAC systems depend on reliable IP-based communications. Routers and switches manage how data flows between these devices, while protocols like TC/IP ensure that the information is sent accurately and reaches the right destinations. In a smart building environment, sensors and automation controllers all share the same data through the same network. My apologies. So understanding how IP networks function is essential for not only setting up, but also troubleshooting those systems down the line. Without networking knowledge, the technology that makes a building smart will not function properly. Understanding networking allows for space to become a much more capable technician because it not only allows me to see every system, but understand how systems connect and communicate. Instead of just installing equipment, I can configure each network properly, identify IP conflicts, or diagnose connectivity issues. It also helps me communicate better with IT teams to create strategies and integrate building automation systems into larger infrastructures. Knowing how to configure secure networks and manage data traffic makes my work more professional and efficient, and it prepares me to take on higher level roles in smart building technology or electrical systems that rely on connected devices.